back to my channel. If you don't know me by now, my name is Monique and I go by Neat Natural TM, as you can see on the video on the channel. Thank you for being part of the Neat Natural fam. Okay, to all my A1 Day ones know me from Facebook, and for those of you who just clicked on this video, I'll give you a little backstory. I originally started on YouTube, then I went to Facebook, and went to Facebook, stuck it out. I do live often on Facebook. It's called Neat Natural Beauty and Makeup Artistry on Facebook. So in case you're on Facebook, you can go ahead and like and follow me over there, as well as on Instagram, and it's Neat Natural TM all the way across. Even if you were to just type in Neat Natural TM on Facebook, it will pull up my page. I created a look on Facebook. I'm gonna keep continuing to say Facebook, y'all. So I created a look on live. You guys had picked out some colors, and I just took those colors and just made a look. I enjoyed that look so much, and I was just like, I need to record this for YouTube. So this is exactly what I'm doing. The great thing about this is I know what look I'm going for, so hopefully it'll be a whole lot better on this around. I have to prep and get ready just like I'm going live, because I'm just used to doing it. Let me go ahead and lotion up and everything, lotion up these hands, because you know we about to go ahead and get into this. Look will be called Cotton Candy Carnival look. And for real, when we got to take our little shawl off, or whatever you want to call it. Let me go ahead and lotion up these. Okay. Y'all know this is my signature, okay? This right here. Putting the hand up there, holding it. And also, yes. Thank y'all for tuning in as always. Love y'all. See you later. Bye. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please comment down below and let me know what other looks you would like to see. Love y'all so much for supporting me. Thank you for everyone who found me back over here from Facebook. The ones that came and just found my channel and subscribed. Thank you so much. Refer me to your friends and family and all that stuff. Give me the plug or whatever. So I love y'all and I'm going to talk to y'all later and see y'all next time. Bye.